So guys, it's about the event of the Amazon Seller Summit 2024 here in Sydney, and we're just taking down all the booths right now. But there's one thing I still did not want to miss out on, and that's our close partner, World First. And I have Tim here. Tim, do me a favor. Explain a bit, what does World First do? Who do you belong to? There's a bit of a story behind it.
Yeah, there is. Look, World First was bought in 2019 by Ant Group. We're part of the Alibaba network. So we're a 350 billion plus company, global company. We have 1.3 to 1.4 billion customers, and we deal with around about 80 million plus merchants globally. So the figures are huge. It's a huge concern, but predominantly we're involved in payments, global payments. The key thing for us is to make them fast, easy, and secure.
Yeah. But I mean, if we're looking into this, you have a lot of the Chinese suppliers are using a World First account as well.
Yes, we're the number one PSP, payment services provider, from Australia to China, but also from elsewhere in the world to China, and from China back out as well.
Do you have a number on mind how many factories in total use World First? Have I heard like a third or 2/3 or a lot of them?
You'll probably find somewhere around about 20 to 25% of factories in China are probably affiliated with our organisation.
So less than a third, sorry for the wrong, but that's still a lot. Now if you imagine, I mean, again, World First belongs to the Ant Group.
Yes.
The Ant Group. What else is included in the Ant Group?
Alipay. So if ever you're in China, you go to Canton, chances are you'll be using your Alipay wallet to make all your payments over there, which is just so easy. And things like Didi Rideshare are all linked into the app as well. It's quite revolutionary.
Yep.
You'll go to China, you use the Alipay app, and you'll go, this is great. If only I can use it when I get back home. It's fantastic.
The massive advantages, of course, in here is if you have a World First account, a supplier, for example, has a World First account, I mean, that makes the payments even more affordable, right?
More affordable, but also quicker as well. If you're paying from one World First account to another World First account, it's instant. We can make a payment to China in 20 seconds.
It's insane.
Yeah, it'll take you 2 or 3 days to send money from Sydney to Brisbane.
I mean, there's
With a bank.
there's a lot of other, of course, suppliers out there. A lot of them, you know, I mean, the ones who started with us in the very beginning, we used PayPal in the beginning. Then we come up and it's like, dude, 4.4% plus another 30 cents of a payment for a transaction because it wasn't enough. Then there's several other ones. I don't want to mention any names here right now, but I mean, we're working closer and closer together with World First. We see them everywhere. Yes. We do use them for some of our own businesses, of course, as well. And we see this also being well respected with our clients. So give them a chance. Have a look into World First. How best to get in touch with you or the team?
That's great. Just go to worldfirst.com. You'll see all our offices globally across there. London, in the Netherlands, Singapore, 3 or 4 offices in China. Obviously, so the applause there. Obviously here in Sydney as well, but also in North America. So we're all over there. And if you just go on there, you'll find email contacts for us and telephone numbers.
Yeah, fantastic. And then you'll get as pretty names as he has, because that's Tim Bentley. Who
That's
doesn't
right.
want to have a Bentley for himself, huh?
No, these days it's a Mercedes only, I'm afraid.
No, I think by now it's starting to be a BYD.
Yeah, I think it will be, yes.
Best regards from Sydney. It was a beautiful, beautiful Amazon Seller Summit.
Yeah, we had a great time here. Thanks, everybody. Just reach out and we'll be in touch.